Hey there, imagine making thousands of dollars a day on YouTube without creating videos or showing your face. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In this video, I'm sharing an incredible opportunity that will change your online business journey. Take action now and start watching this video. Now, whether you're experienced or new to the digital world, this will transform your path. Get ready for growth, profits, and YouTube success secrets. Are you struggling to generate traffic and income on YouTube? Are you tired of traditional methods that require making videos and being in front of the camera? Say goodbye to the old methods and hello to a future where success is reachable. Discover the path to consistent traffic and impressive earnings. I understand how overwhelming it can be to navigate through all this information. It's important to approach opportunities like this with caution and clarity. Let's break it down together, and I'll be right by your side addressing the potential concerns. Feeling confused? I get it. The space and resources in the web may lack the clarity you need to make an informed decision. You deserve a clear plan and a thorough understanding of the process before diving in. It's essential not to waste your time and effort on something that doesn't provide a solid foundation. Time is precious, my friend. While this video and my free training may promise impressive results, it's crucial to be realistic about the timeline involved in building a successful online business. Don't fall for the allure of overnight success. Take a moment to reflect on your own commitment level and if you're ready to invest the necessary time, even if there's a learning curve. Let's also evaluate your finances. Be honest with yourself about the potential costs involved in implementing the system. Ensure you have the financial resources to cover the expenses or make adjustments to your budget accordingly. Lastly, we're going to address the mindset and the belief. Reflect on your past experiences and apply those lessons to the new opportunity. You need a positive mindset. And remember, as you watch this video, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Take your time and we can navigate this path together. Now, are you ready to embark on the incredible journey to completely transform your life? This YouTube gold rush that's happening right now is gonna allow you to even make 6 figures or more without ever showing your face as a beginner in 2023. Pretty amazing, right? Now here's the catch. Time is of the essence. YouTube moves incredibly fast, but what you're gonna allow yourself to discover is the secrets, strategies, and tricks that will lead you to financial freedom. But wait, there's even something else to look forward to. If you stick with me to the end of the video, I've got an incredible surprise waiting for you. It's a free video that will amplify your success with YouTube and affiliate marketing. Yes, you've heard that right. This will allow you to create dramatic results. Now, before we dive into the very first step to doing this, I want to ask you to like and subscribe if you get value on this video. Now, let's not waste any more time and let's embark on the very first step. So the very first thing is you want to open up your web browser and you want to head to youtube.com. Now trust me, you're in for an amazing experience. Brace yourself for the incredible content and awesome community that thrives on creativity. Now let's create your own YouTube channel. This is your chance to achieve success and financial freedom by sharing your passion. Choose a name that represents you and the value you bring. You want to create content, as we'll talk about a little bit later, that connects with your audience. It's time to shine. Now, personalization is key, so take a moment to customize your channel with a captivating banner and an eye-catching profile picture. A description also that allows you to tell viewers what to expect. Now, we want to head over to Google, and while you're there, we want to search something that resonates with you. Now, it could be something like short stories for children or inspiring content for personal growth. You want to find content that speaks to your heart and aligns with your values. Now, take your time and explore the search results at your own pace. There's a world of possibilities out there. Dive into different sources and see what captures your attention. Now, once you find that something special that truly speaks to you, it's time to make it your own. Maybe it's a story, maybe it's a thought-provoking piece. Once done, you want to go to the third site. Now you want to go ahead and you want to visit renderforest.com. Now once you're on this website, look for the Get Started button and give it a click. This will set the stage for your creative journey. Now that you're in, it's time to choose the type of video you want to create. Now, select the option for animated videos and explore the wide range of templates available. Take your time to find a template that matches your vision and captures the essence of your story. Now, once you've found the perfect template, it's time to put your personal touch on it. Edit the video to make it truly yours. You want to add your own images, text, really customize it to fit your story. Now let your creativity flow as you make the video uniquely reflective of your ideas. Now, if you want to add a voiceover to your video, you have a couple options. You can use a platform like 𝐏𝐶h𝐿.com to generate a voiceover, or you can explore websites like Fiverr, where you can find talented individuals who can create a professional voiceover for you. Find someone who aligns with your vision and bring your video to life with your voice. Now, once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to save your video. Renderforest.com allows you to download your video in various formats. Now, once saved, you can upload that video to YouTube where the world can enjoy your creation. Now, you'll start making money with YouTube's program that will show ads on your video and you'll generate revenue that way. But as a bonus step, because my channel is all about affiliate marketing, you can add affiliate links to the video description. That way you can monetize your content even more and earn a commission whenever someone clicks on those links. Now, before we part ways, because you've learned a lot, and it really is simple, I have a special gift for you. In the description below, you're gonna find a valuable link that holds the key to unlocking your affiliate marketing and YouTube success. There's actually an amazing opportunity where you'll be able to learn at the link below a way to generate daily commissions even if you have no prior experience online. You're gonna witness also how this approach has transformed countless lives, empowering them to build a thriving online business. I couldn't bear the thought of you missing out on this incredible opportunity. Take control of your financial future. Click the link below to access the exclusive free video where you'll explore the captivating world of affiliate marketing. Get ready to unlock the door to your unlimited potential for prosperity. Don't forget also to like this video if you got value and subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks. I'm excited to have you on board. Click the link below and I will see you on the next video.